Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, I just got a quick update for y'all this morning. I just heard it, and I wanted to get on here real fast and let you know about it. They finally reached an agreement. Yes, both sides has actually came together and got something done. All they got to do is work out some minor word details. They said it's easy. Both sides is going to vote on it. And both sides has agreed to everything that's in it. Stimulus checks are still going to be just $600 and $600 for the dependents. They're saying everybody will get it. Social Security, SSI, SSDI, Railroad Pension, everybody will get it. If you got it last time, you'll get it this time. If you got direct deposit, it should happen pretty fast. They said with like a week to 2 weeks, they'll start sending them out. So it's not exactly what we wanted, but still, it's something. $300 for unemployment boost. I'm not sure about all the details on that. Like I said, I just heard it and I wanted to get on here and let y'all know. You know, they was trying to cut the length of the unemployment boost down to 10 weeks. And they was fighting over if you would get the unemployment boost and the stimulus check. Well, this morning, they've got everything approved. So we can only hope for the best now. They finally came together and got it done. So no more wondering, will they ever get it done? Yes, they got it done this morning. Now it's just finalizing it, and they hope to vote on this afternoon by 1 p.m. Let's just hope they do. But anyway, we're just hours away from a bill. That's a very good thing. The sooner we get that bill, the sooner they can get the checks out and help the people. I believe it's too late to help the people for Christmas, but going into the new year, they should be getting their checks and getting the help they need. We do need more, I agree with that, and I know people's going to be bad-mouthing this video because it ain't more. It's not my fault, y'all. I would give you $1 million if I could, but yeah. We got our government to thank for that small check, but it's better than nothing. And you know, Joe Biden is saying that he's going to send out a real stimulus check right after he takes office. So we don't really have that much longer to wait for that if he can actually get it done. I hope he can. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Let me know what you're thinking about it. Use my videos as a sounding board. Don't hold back. And if something breaks later today when they do the vote, I will come back in and let you know again. Just know I love you all. We will get through this together. Keep God first in your mind and pray for our country, pray for our leaders, and pray for everybody that's hurt in any way, through it be COVID or the actions from our government. Just know I love you all, and I'll see you later. Ciao.